Alright, clean team. A couple of videos ago, we told you we're adding a new service, and we finally got most of the pieces that we need to do the service. We got Cayman right here. It's after our work day, so we're not in our work clothes right now. We got Pops.
What's up,
you want to tell them what the service is?
Dryer vent cleaning.
Right.
Initial reading.
Take a look in there. What you think of that?
It's pretty dirty.
Pretty dirty.
Never been done.
How old is this house? This is our grandma's house, by the way.
I don't know. My dad bought this house back in the 80s, so I'm sure it was probably 5 or 10 years old then.
Yeah. We got two different attachments right here. This right here is called a what?
Reverse whip.
So you can see the little holes in there.
These whips are cut to 4 inches. That's a standard dryer vent diameter.
And then this one right here.
This is a reverse skipper ball, and it'll spin. As you can see, when I say reverse, the holes are in the back, and it'll blow air back out towards us. They make forward skipper balls, and it pushes air in. So if we were cleaning from the outside, from the inside blowing out, we would use a forward skipper ball and blow the air out. So most of the time we're going to be cleaning from the outside whenever possible.
All right, Cayman, you go over there and
turn my arrow.
Turn the air. Before we came, I told Dad I would be the one getting behind the bushes and doing it, but as you see, it always works out this way. Got them doing the dirty work for me right now.
I want to do this. It's my childhood home, so. Yep, go ahead.
impressive.
Right.
Look at that. Now let's take a reading of it.
Let's get a third reading. Let's see.
Oh yeah, look at that. It's part of the year the house was built.
Probably close to it. I think we ought to give them a shot of Grandma's house. This is the house I grew up in. It's always nice to come back here. What was it last time?
1910.
1949. Once we're able to go further, perhaps with some brushes, we can do even better.
Yeah, because the first time we went in,
I didn't
it
get as
didn't.
deep.
Yeah, and then the second time we went in,
Yeah, I don't
it
think
was
I made
more
it
like
to the flexed up.
right. I think you did the second time
Yeah.
because
We
it was
had
like
if we had some soft brushes, I think.
you can get up in there.
Yeah.
Still making improvements, learning.
Yeah.
Good test run, but if you can see this, it's definitely up higher than it was before. I enjoyed that. Let me know what y'all thought about that, clean team. I like the way it sounds also.
My childhood home. We used to play ball in this yard. Felt like a whole football field.
That's funny. Really?
Yeah, we used
Pretty
to play
long.
on the side though. We used to play baseball over there.
Really?
Yeah, on the side.
I knew y'all was knocking people's windows out with the
Yeah,
ball.
we knocked our own out a few times.
We gotta figure out a way to make sure this doesn't happen.
You can't be coming to people's house like that.
Yeah.
So I'm
Maybe if we
wondering like,
blow it
could
off,
blow
blow
it
yourself off, or
Yeah.
at least you know how to match, you know? One thing I want to be able to do when I get old is match like you.
I'm old.
Yeah.
All blue everything, right?
Yeah. At least you got the brown belt, you know, the brown. I see the color coordination.
Yeah, you know.
I like that.
All right, now put that part in your hand right here. Put that in your hand.
Mm-hmm.
Now put the.
Now catch it again.
Now catch it again. Put that in your hand. Put it right there in your hand. Okay. There you go. I'm gonna keep giving it to you, all right? There you go. Gonna be a pro in no time, huh? All right, you did it. Go put
Wrap
that
your
on the
first
truck.
hose.
Good job. You wanna do another one? All right.
He said no.
No.
You gonna lift that up?
Hercules. I'll hurt yourself.
Alright everybody, that's the end of today's video. Thank you guys for watching to the end. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out my future uploads. Got Hercules 1 and 2 right here. Y'all want to say anything? It's the end of the video before I end it.
Miles making faces.
Oh man.
Well, it's really not much to this service, but it's very important. It's just something that I felt like we need to offer our customers to keep everybody safe. And whether we can do it for you or not, I hope you find somebody in your area that can do it, okay?
Get your dry vents clean so your house don't catch on fire when you're sleeping. That's it.
What if you don't run it while you're sleeping? You shouldn't run. Oh, don't ever run your dryer while you're sleeping or while you're not at home. Never leave a running dryer unattended.
We definitely do that.
Yeah, we're guilty.
Yep.
Everybody's guilty of it. I've done it myself a couple times. You got anything you want to say, Carlo? No. No? Alrighty.
Oh, you gotta get you back on camera. You done got a camera shot, boy.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you'll be around this summer. You gonna see everybody in the summer? You gonna work this summer? Yeah. Okay. I hope your boots still fit.
Probably not. Probably gotta get some new ones on. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Alright guys, we're running. Good afternoon, clean team. We got the
Clean crew.
Driver and crew.
dry vent crew. Alright.
You gotta be kidding me. No. What is on feet per minute? Is that what it's on before?
1 feet per minute.
You sure? Cut. Was it really go back?
Yeah.
You gotta be kidding me.
I want to play with it some more. Turn it back on.
Turn the air back on. Let me see if I can blow myself off. It shut off.
You don't have anything on the end of it.
Right. Come on, man.
No, that.
It was taking the pressure off. Are you scared?
Ow.
Sticker bushes.
How you turn it off?
Take that off right there. Y'all should have seen. Y'all should have seen when I did it earlier.
On your mark. Say it. Go.
Yeah. It don't even matter. I won. Y'all see that?
What is it?
See, he started on the inside.
Man, don't try that.
Brave Junior. Okay. All right.
1-1.